double snap. So the difference between my double snap and everyone else's that I've seen is I use the index finger. Now, why I do that is specifically because I don't want to bang up my middle finger here. And it's happened before. And it can hurt. So for beginners, I implore you to use the index finger because honestly, it's just so much simpler. See, with the middle finger, it's just so easy to come down on this chimney here and cut yourself up. And not only that, if you don't do that and you just end up flicking it, if you come down from the wheel to the base here, it'll hurt just as much as this, except you won't have that much damage. So to remedy this, I started using the index finger. It's a lot safer. It can be harder depending on how you practice it. Honestly, it just takes practice. So here's the tutorial. Have your zippo in your hand, hold it in your left hand or right if you're lefty. And you just want to flick up on the zippo lid. So flick up and then turn it to face you. And you want to flick down. And then you'll have flame. And as you progress, you can get faster. Experiment with it. And just keep on practicing. It's not that hard. It takes practice, yes, but once you have it down, it's pretty easy.